Okie dokie. Let's take a look. I don't know. You say I'm streaming, but you're not showing me on Twitch that I'm streaming, so press X to doubt. But that's okay. Who cares? Anyway, back to our game. Our Life Force clone. Our little side-scrolling space shooter. So today, here's what I want to do. I'm gonna add a couple more things, a couple moving obstacles. It says pathways, basically just something right here that forces you either to go up, down, or possibly in the middle, whatever. Something that narrows the path and forces you to make a choice. I'm gonna start adding sprites, so adding actual characters and animations. And then I was gonna say environment, like tile map stuff, but I don't know enough about tile map, so I'd have to learn more off camera before I start messing with that. Otherwise, it would be like 2 hours of me just, hey Google, how do I fill in the blank? So, whatever. So let's start. I think I'm gonna start with sprites. Let's start adding those. So I have this guy. Boom. Pretty cool looking. I think he's pretty cool looking. So that's what we're gonna do. Maybe. Let's see. There's this one. That one's pretty cool too. And there's this one seems the best. Okay, we'll do that one. Executive decision. Alright, so we search vehicle. Oh, I see. I see. Okay. Yes. So, I mean, it really doesn't matter which one, because we're going to animate them. So there he is. Let's make him a little bit bigger. Let's say 61. That is oddly specific. And a little bit bigger. Yeah, that seems okay. That seems alright. We can make him bigger if we need to. And then we need to add. Actually, we'll just. Create a new controller, we'll say player. And it will be that one. Then what would I call this one? Thrusting? No, that sounds very inappropriate. This is a game for children. Let's see. Let's call him moving. Good enough. And it'll be those. We'll start from the idle. Okay. We'll make sure it's not looping. We go to our player, we'll come up here. Yep. You know what I want to do. Why is it not making him the size that I wanted him to be? Oh, you know what? Duh. Helps if they're all the right size. There we go. What if I do loop it? Oh yeah, that's what I want. Okay, what if I do loop it with the other one? Why? That might be like sputtering too much. And I think the idle might need to be can I leave it like that? If I do it like that. Yeah, there we go. I like that. Cool. So we have... Oh, go away. This is what I want. So we have this guy now. And then... I don't think I have... Ouch. I don't think I have anyone for enemy ships yet. Or enemies, whatever, in general. So let's go. I really like this guy's work, so see if we can find some more of his stuff. Simaz. I really like this guy's art. He does some really cool stuff, and he has a lot of stuff that he puts up here for free, which is awesome. This is I think this is going to be the projectiles that we use. There's pretty cool ones in there. Let's check out what he's got for free. Oh, I think I was going to... So this is the environment that I'm going to use to tile, or as a tile map. I like the aesthetic of this one, and then it has kind of these like weird space, whatever these are, tentacle things. And then we got a good explosion for when enemies die. And then I'm going to use, I'm going to use this thing. Actually, I already have it in there as a power up that you can collect. So let's just take a look real quick, see if there's anything else in here that would fit the vibe. This is the one I use a lot as well. Okay, let's see. Trying to see if he's got any like enemies. No, that's okay. We shall use away. Warped caves. Yeah, there's the power up one. See it right there. I have the color changed now, but that's what it normally looks like. Yeah, I think that looks really cool. And then I'm going to change the color on it based on what type of power up it is. Because I think we'll probably have a speed boost and a shield. Definitely some kind of projectile. I'm debating on whether or not I want to add like a charge shot, like Mega Man X style. I might do that, but I don't know yet. Enemies, there we go. Crab, jumper, and okay, well, let's see what the crab is. Can you be many times bigger, please, crab? Okay, let's... Interesting. Okay. So there's crab and crab walk. What are you, Mr. Jumper Guy? Okay. You're not really doing anything. Go and just make them all the same. And then we have this very bizarre octopus guy. You look like Cthulhu. Okay. Just rename them so they're all easier to find. Tag them all as enemies. And then we can go ahead and we'll make a new folder. Put our enemies in there. Maybe. Actually make it in there. Okay. I need to shorten the bounds on that. Because he was starting to go off screen a little bit. Let's see. Okay, that should be good. And then well, that is interesting. Whoa. Okay. Oh, that's why. There we go. See, just little things that I forget to do because I'm a fool. Yeah, there we go. Boom, and then... Ooh. Let's see. I need... Is there an explosion in this one? I don't think there is. Nope, just the vehicles. So we'll go into here. Excuse me. Impact. Okay, cool. There's specific ones. Do 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 do. Need to wait. How long do I need to wait? Let's start with that. Wait half a second. Boom. Still didn't do anything. Okay. Do I need to... I need to try that. No. Is it even triggering? No, it's not. Okay, but why? Oh, duh. What if I do... If I just set the health to 0? Then I can do that, and then I can do this. Player death. I don't know why you're going back like that. Okay. You're just not even gonna do a darn thing. What the heck just happened? Nope. Okay. All right. You're being weird. Oh, all of these are... There we go. All those are a mile away. Okay. Alright, whatever. I don't care about that right now. Make sure I fix this at least. Boom. Okay, what was next? I've already forgotten. I got this spray, I got the animations. I'll fix the explosion one eventually. Let's see. Let's say like over here, we'll add one for now. Right in the center. Clean that. Just make it a nice even number. 10. Yeah, we'll do that, and then we'll rotate. Okay. Set it back here a little bit. And what I may do is I may just put oh, dang it. Set it power up right there. And then just so everyone's aware, I am not a level designer by any means, so take everything I'm doing with a giant grain of salt and just know that it might suck. But that's okay. How do I want that to go? I think the biggest thing is I gotta make sure that whatever I'm doing I want him to be able to fit through all these spaces. Like, I'm okay with it being super tight because that will add to some of the challenge. Okay. Is that what I want to do? Not totally convinced that's what I want to do. Do something like that. I don't know what this is going to be yet. But it'll be a different color. That'll be right there. Now we'll put them in there just a little bit further. What are you talking about there? Blah, blah, blah. I don't know what any of that means. Okay. Yeah, that works. We got half a level happening here. Okay. Okay, these are all listed as obstacles. Let's see what's going on. You're gonna have a bunch of enemies that pop up right here. And you gotta figure out which way you wanna go. Boom, you can get that. Oh, none of these have colliders. That makes sense. Okay. But okay, so you can go under there. That's cool. This will be the easy path. Need to have some other kind of collectible where it makes going either up here, oh, excuse me, or down here worth the risk. you got this, easy. You got another one, boop, okay. Yeah. I like it. What I'll do is I'll create an empty one, call it an environment. And I'll just put all of those in there. Kind of clean up a little bit. There we go. Right. There we go. Alrighty. Okay. I have those. Are those animating? I already forgot. Whoa. Oh, I forgot. I forgot. All these boys need to be kinematic. I guess we could put them as static, right? Yeah, I guess we could just put them all as static. How does that do? Boom. Okay. I think what I'm going to do is just move these all a little bit so that that kind of is ending at the same spot. Okay. There we go. We got half a level going on, so you'll slowly make it through here. Might have a separate section right here where it's just a bunch of could almost do like some like space debris kind of stuff, so like yeah, just yeah, we could do that. So we could have this kind of tail off, implying that the space is getting bigger, and then this can just be one giant trigger, and as long as you're inside of it, it's just gonna constantly drop rocks and stuff. All of which will, of course, be able to kill you, because games. And then maybe like over here, you have a short section where you kind of catch your breath, and then boom, boss section. Cool, I can live with that. So we have somewhat of a level. I might go ahead and just add an empty box right here. Falling rocks area. And I'll just put a giant box collider on there. That will set to 10 high, but let's say 25. Yeah, we'll start with that. There we go. Perfect. Definitely is a trigger. We'll create another one, and we'll just call it breather area. I think that one might only be 10 as well. Definitely not. 130. Nice. Okay. Got that. Why are you set back like that? Okay. Okie dokie. And then the last one we'll have boss area. What is all this stuff? Weird. Oh, this is the like the super shot that I plan on getting. Some big crazy. The boss area. Make that blue. One 30. So this one will be 140. We'll make it 15 by 10 because I guess why not? Nope. $43. There you go. Okay, so there's our basic level. So, oh, I wanted to add some moving stuff. I guess the falling rocks would be considered like a moving thing. Okay. Do I even have anything like that? Let's see, get out of here. Got some stuff here. What's in there? No. Nope. Not what I'm looking for. I know I got something. Is it this? No. Wrong. Obstacle. Oh, yeah, there we go. Let's create another. Those are not the ones I thought that I had. I don't even remember what these are from. Okay. Nope, 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 nope. I guess I don't have anything. No, that's okay. It's something. It is indeed something. If not, kind of janky. Alright. Alright. So what we'll do... My God, that's huge. That's still really big. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay. If we made it 200. That's a little bit better. It's still kind of big. 225? Yeah, that should be okay. That should be okay. Oops, I keep hitting. Ah, man, I keep trying to hold shift, but I keep hitting the caps locks. Guess it would be a circle collider. Probably don't need to make everything a trigger, but I'm going to, for the sake of simplicity, just to make it work. Alright, and then I will make a, let's call it falling rocks. Sure. Sorry, I'm doing that very criminal thing of eating Alana Mike. Alright. Just these. Sure. All right. Falling rocks. Okay. And really all we need to do is make them go down. Because we will have a separate script that does all of our spawning. So we just need to transform, translate, vector 2 dot down times speed. And just for the sake of being different, we'll just do it there. All this does is say we don't, this just means we don't have to do it times time.delta time. This automatically makes it delta time. No, we don't need that. Do I want to give them all individual speeds? That could be fun. We'll say this big one is 1. We'll say that one's 1.5. 2. 2.5. All of this might be a terrible idea. That's okay. How fast do they move? Insanely fast. All right. If we do 0.1, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75. Okay. That one's slow. That feels right. That one feels okay. That one's getting kind of crazy. That one's insane. Alright, so we have 0.1 to 0.15, 0.2. That could be our fast boy because it's a little bit smaller. All of those would probably still be incredibly hard to get the heck out of the way of, so I might just make them all the same. Let's say they're all 0.15. I don't know, that still feels really fast. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. So we have those, and then we're going to go over here. Trigger, okay, go. Then we'll add another script. Falling Rocks Spawner. forget how to do the array. Meteors. What we'll do. We'll say if other dot game object tag equals player, and we will instantiate random dot. No, that's not right. Oh, I got you. Dot random range. Would be 0 and 3. Is that right? I think that's right. And then it would be no, that wouldn't be right. We would do a vector, not vector 3, vector 2, and we would do it at random dot range. I'm not sure. Maybe 5 and then 5. And then I'll just say 10. And you're telling me you're wrong. Now, why are you wrong? It's gotta be a vector 3. Okay, fine. You're still telling me you're wrong. Okay, you're saying there has to be that. I don't actually need that. Okay, why are you wrong? That's not what I wanted. Okay, fine. To the Google. Unity instantiate. Here. Okay, so you instantiate, and then you have the transform parent. Okay, this is what we're doing right here. Although we really don't have to worry about the quaternion. Let's see. Instantiates 10 conf beads of a prefab. Oh, that's interesting. What does this one do? Can be used to create new objects at runtime. So this would be... Okay, so you're cloning a projectile. Okay, yeah. Okay, so you're cloning the projectile, the transformed dot position, and transformed dot rotation. It's basically the same thing. What about down here? What is this one doing? No. Okay. It's not totally helping me. Is it because it's not new? Cannot convert vector. Okay, so what if... I'm not understanding what it's doing. Cannot convert vector 2 to unity transform. This doesn't seem right. So we have the original object, meteors, where it's located, which would be no. Can't be called like a method, right? Okay. Game objects, spawn, position. But I want to randomize along the X. That's the whole point. Why will you not let me? I don't know why it always does this stupid throw thing. I can't read you. Why are you way over there? Okay. Instantiate. Yep. Do the object. Give it a position. Give it a rotation. Okay, I'm trying to do that. You won't let me. It's the only thing I can think of, but that destroys all of it. Alright, back to Google. Let's see. This is the last thing I'm going to do, and then I'm going to call it a night. Let's see. I don't want to create an account to read the full story. Okay, whatever. I'll just comment this out for now. So this is the basic gist of what we have today. We have a basic level. Create our basic level. We've started implementing some sprites with a couple animations. We have these areas where these things are going to get spawned. Oh, excuse me. Good night. Can't turn it off. Okay. Okay, we have our level. We have our spawn. This area where we're going to spawn rocks that can fall on our head. We have a area where we could take a little breather before we fight a big boss. I'll figure out what that'll be eventually. Did we even... Didn't do that. We did that. Well, we're working on that. Working on finishing that. Okay, we did some stuff. We did a little bit of stuff. It's all good. So, it's getting late. I'm getting tired. I'm going to go ahead and call it there. And we will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. See you guys.